Hi everyone, and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today's going to be a quick clean with me and do some things in the kitchen. So I'm starting off with the obvious, and that is the never-ending task of washing the dishes. However, I do love my new dish pan and strainer. I don't know what I did without them, but oh my goodness, it just has made the task so much easier. But man, do I always have dishes or what? But I always have dishes. And without a dishwasher, it takes a little bit of time to wash everything. But once it gets done, it's such a good feeling. But it seems like the dirty dishes pile up so quickly. So tell me, does that happen at your house? Because it definitely happens here. Now I'm removing a sticker from a Dollar Tree container. I hate the Dollar Tree stickers. Now you can see we are real people, and I have to bleach this counter because we get coffee on it all the time. And I'm using Comet with bleach. It's just a spray, does the job. And I'm going to put my coffee pot where I've washed it and put it back in there and just make sure everything is good and tidy. Now it's time to dry all of those dishes I just washed and put them away. Like I said, it is a never-ending task, but it is a good feeling to end the day with no dishes on your counter. However, most of the time, I will be honest, there is a couple dishes in the sink at night when I go to bed. I'm drying those taco plates. I bought those from Amazon, and they have been absolutely amazing. Every time we have tacos, we use those taco plates. Now I'm putting up the silverware and the drying mat. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to bleach the counter on this side as well, just to make sure everything's nice and tidy. And I didn't put those pots away because I'm going to do a little bit of under the counter organizing. It just seemed like in the last couple of months, everything has just kind of gotten a little in a disarray underneath my, my cabinets in the bottom. And so I'm taking out some things that I used for Halloween. I had a Halloween cake pan. Not going to need that till next year, so it can go somewhere else. One thing I can tell you is these cabinets are very old. And we had a little bit of water damage in the bottom, so I painted them. I primed them all on the inside, and I painted them. And I will tell you that for somebody who is legally blind, this has actually been the best thing I ever did because I can see everything perfectly in the inside of my cabinets with it being white. It's not dark and things don't blend in underneath the sink and things don't get lost, so I can see everything. So I'm putting my trash bags and things back in there. I am using a shop vac. I did under the sink to kind of vacuum up any crumbs or anything that might be in there. There wasn't much of anything, but I just went ahead and vacuumed it. I know you can't really see the inside of this cabinet, but this is where I keep all my pots and pans. Now things have kind of piled up on top of my microwave, and so I'm going to have to clean it off. My microwave is clean. Just need to wipe things down just a little bit over here and tidy. And clean out the baskets in the bottom. And now I'm putting those back. It just is a good feeling to kind of make things tidy again. Now it is time to make dinner, and I made some homemade meatballs. Y'all have seen me make meatballs a million times a million on my channel. And I made enough so that we can eat these for a couple days. And I love covering my pans with foil because then you don't have grease. There they are in the sauce. And I'm getting ready to boil some pasta over here. And there's my dinner, and I will tell you it was fantastic. Now I have dinner dishes, which is Again, got to be washed. And now I'm going to load my coffee pot for the morning. Ronnie comes down and he turns on the coffee pot. He is in charge of that now. I load it every night and he pours me my cup of coffee every morning, and I love it. And he loves doing it for me, so it's a win-win. Now I'm gonna set out the mugs for tomorrow. And my husband is blind, so he has a reader that goes on his it tells him when his cup is full so he doesn't burn himself. And this is what it looks like. And I do hope that you all enjoyed this short video. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.